here's what I want to do today. I want to give you 2 basic level self-defense strikes that anybody can learn and anybody can use in any kind of self-defense situation. First strike's going to be the hammer fist. Hammer fists are primal, low skill, and they're super versatile. And what I mean by primal is it's built in our bodies. It's something that's within us, guys. When you see a baby strike, what do they do? Or when babies throw a fit, what do they do? No. Or monkeys, for example. You'll see a monkey strike, and you don't normally see monkeys throwing straight punches and hooks. What you'll see is a big, giant hammer fist or a strike in that motion. So it's super powerful, and it's already built in us. So guys, the other thing that's great about this strike is it's very easy to learn. It's a low skill barrier. And what we mean by that is it's not hard to pick up. The third thing about this strike is it's super versatile. And what we mean by that, guys, is that anywhere that I can strike, or I can send this hammer fist, or I can stab, I can literally throw this hammer fist. If the person's behind me, boom. If the person's on the side of me, boom. If I'm on my back and this person's in front of me, bang. I can send it down, I can send it up, super versatile. So here's the function of the hammer fist. First thing, from my fight stance, my elbow is gonna go back and my fist is gonna go up. So my elbow goes back, my fist is gonna be going up. My thumb is pointing down, my pinky is up, and it's like I'm answering the phone backwards. From here, I'm gonna drive my weight in my body towards my attacker, my elbow is gonna line up with my attacker, and then I hammer down. So basically, anywhere that my elbow drives to, I can let my arm unload and throw this hammer fist. So from the side, it'd be the same way. But my elbow's gonna line up in front of my attacker, and then my hammer fist is gonna drive forward. Hey guys, if you're getting any value out of this video, do me a favor, hit the like button below. The second strike I'd give to a beginner is palm heel strikes. Here's why. It's a medium level of skill, but it's really simple. Super simple to learn, and it allows you to start traveling or start to learn how to throw a straight punch from here. So palm heel strikes have a lot of power behind them, guys, and the beauty of this is just like a straight punch, you drive with your body, driving with your body, arm goes straight out, but with straight punches, I can risk breaking my knuckles depending on how I throw this punch. With palm heel strikes, I do not have to worry about that, making sure that thumb is to the side and my hand is back and driving straight out, right? So imagine driving all the way your body, or using your body to drive and generate all this power, and then it coming out at the end of your hand. Super powerful. So listen, the skill barrier on this one is about a medium level. And what I mean by that is throwing straight punches takes a long time to train and to learn. But with palm heel strikes, not so much. You probably learn palm heel strikes within two or three times of trying it. And listen, it's really just understanding the mechanics of it, which is driving with creating power with your body, and then driving with your body and making sure that your arm sponsors this strike. In other words, what I mean by that is I'm gonna generate a lot of power with my body, and then my arm sponsors this punch at the end, or this strike at the end. So the great thing about this strike, guys, is that there is a small margin of error. With straight punches, especially with Krav Maga, I have to hit with these top 2 knuckles. Can't hit with these bottom ones, I'm gonna break them. But if you're having problems with that, guys, I can pull my finger back, or pull my thumb to the side, pull my finger back, and now look at what I'm hitting with this whole surface area right here. What I'm aiming for, guys, is I want to aim for soft tissue. With straight punches, you definitely want to aim for soft tissue, but the beauty with this palm heel strike is it doesn't matter. I can hit somebody on the top of the head, the back of the head. I can hit them in the groin. Once again, small margin of error. I can hit them in the throat. I can hit them in the chin. It doesn't matter where you're hitting them in the face. It doesn't matter. You're just trying to hit them in the face. Where straight punches, you want to aim for anything eyebrows and down. So the margin of error is super, super, super low. So from my fight stance, my elbow's always down. I'm pulling my fingers, my thumb to the side, and I'm pulling my fingers back. So I'm exposing the palm of my hand. It's like I'm smashing a pie in someone's face. My arm is gonna go straight out and come straight back. Keeping that elbow down when we're driving, keeping that elbow down when we're driving, and coming right back. Bang. Show this side, bang. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video and you don't want to miss anything, hit the subscribe button and we'll keep sending you more stuff. As a matter of fact, better yet, tell us what you want to see. Tell us. Tell us! I said tell us!